Geo Metro was a variation of the Suzuki Cultus.
Oh, there we go. So it is one. All right.
Get after it.
All right, put your hands together. It's Anthony Maatouk, the VLGOD. That's right. You can do you can survive a 219 mile an hour epic crash.
Yep.
Skid to the end, get out and go, well, better go get the VL ready.
I still got to get the burnout trophy.
Well, look, judging, we'll go back into closed mic judging just for a sec.
Romanian.
Rap.
All right, so it's very, very tight at the top of the burnout competition. And yet our results have been...
Still processing.
There we go. So Sean Cartwright's on there saying Geo Metro in the US, Cultus in Japanese, and Swift in Australia. So the question is, how quick has Jeff Lutz Jr. gone in his Geo Metro? That would be the ultimate test. So again, that's a bit of homework for the people watching at home.
Yep.
Quickly Google Jeff Lutz Jr. and see how quick, because that's more of a drag and drive car. So I don't know, it's got like an LS or a small block in it. So we'll have to see what, I don't know, I suppose if anyone's watching, can quickly check. What do you mean, Justin, first time in history? What's that? We're speechless? I don't know. I don't know what he means by the first time in history. Yeah, but maybe, actually, you know what? Justin's good mates with Lutzy. Can we find out from Jeff Lutz Jr. how quick he's gone with his Geo Metro?
Yeah.
Actually, that would be the first time in history. That's right. Crashed then straight back into a different car within an hour. Absolutely. That's pretty big epic thing. Most times guys only bring one car to the track.
Yeah.
So when they bin it, they don't have another one.
Anthony Maatouk's not most races, though.
I know.
Like, let's face it, he's can steer. Probably one of the best ever to sit behind the wheel. Let's be honest. I've never seen him have an accident like he had on that last one. He's a very, very good driver. He knows exactly where the edge is and usually doesn't take it any further than that. A bit of smoke just hazing out the left-hand side of it. But that's a nice way to return to form. 625! 226 miles per hour. All right, I think he might have a smile back on his face again now. 625, 226 for VLGOD. That is very, very nice, and I think he's got his confidence back. What do you reckon?
You know what I think the ultimate flex is going to be?
Turn on. You got to turn the microphone on, Mr. Diggles. Red light on first. Oh, no.
And you know what the ultimate flex may be with that one, guys, is that the guy will pack his chutes on and drive the thing back. That's the sort of flex I'm expecting out of this guy.
Yep.
The ultimate flex will be that he'll take this thing and drive it back. But yeah, how do you get back on the horse, come back and go 225 mile an hour with a 625?
Like that.
And the way the cruise...